Good morning. I'm Dr. Kate Walker, and today I'm going to talk about something that we see a lot in the country. And I'm not going to flip my camera because I may lose you, but you'll see beautiful woods and weeds. And so in the country, we spend a lot of time trying to get our weeds under control. Now, the nice thing about weeds, they're not all bad, right? They're just in the wrong place. And so when we talked this week about new supervisors, this is week 2, what every new supervisor should know. One of the things we have to talk about is how to weed out our interns. So that's not a bad thing. We're not trying to get somebody out of the profession or discourage them. But what we're trying to do is to help to get them where they belong. And that's usually what a weed is, right? It's a plant and it is growing somewhere it doesn't belong. Or you're trying to grow something else. So all of this week, I will be talking about things that can help you weed out your interns and help get them to a place where they can belong and thrive and really use their gifts and talents. So this week we'll be talking about remediation, evaluation, and of course, termination. So I'm Dr. Kate Walker. Stay tuned all this week for week 2, what every level 1 supervisor should know, because supervisor success starts here. See you soon. Have a great week.